Alright, so I'm starting my making my boba tea at home experiments. I've gotten a lot at boba tea makers in the neighborhood up until now, and I decided I should try to make my very own. Most boba tea makers will start with a jasmine green tea, so I got some I have stashed around the house because I love this flavor. So first step is to brew yourself some jasmine tea and then to cool it down and add some ice. So we'll do that next. Okay, so now I've cooled down the jasmine tea by adding some ice cubes to it, and then I put it into the cup. Always cool it down before you put it into a glass cup. I've got a spoon, I've got a boba straw, which is thicker than traditional straws, and I've got my popping boba. So the next step is to get this open. I think this should just lift up, but I'll try to do this carefully so I don't make a gigantic mess. I am perfectly capable of making a larger mess than one might imagine. So let's do this. Alright, so it comes with a plastic seal on it. Yeah, see, I'm worried that I'm gonna try to yank this off. Alright, we'll do this the other way, which is cut carefully into it so we can get in without spilling everything all over the place. Alright. Now we can scoop out a little handful of the bobas. Maybe some more because they're fun. Alright, and if you've never had boba before, they are a little bit squishy, but they will easily pop in your mouth, which then releases all the inside yummy parts. Alright, so we'll seal this up. So we got jasmine tea, which is jasmine and green tea. And we've got the boba. And we put that in there. Part of the fun of doing this is that you can do multiple flavors and multiple combinations and add sugars into it, but I'm starting from the basic beginnings where all we have is the jasmine tea and the flavored boba. And let's just give this a try. And that flavor combination is very tasty. Now, if you're someone who likes lots of heavy flavors, you might prefer the later versions where we do the simple syrups and such to add a more dense flavor to it. But I happen to enjoy delicate flavors, so this is really nice just with the jasmine green tea and the passion fruit popping boba. So that's a great way to get started in the world of boba. It is very easy to do. You want the wider straw so that the little boba pearls can fit up through it. And it's very healthy for you. It's a great alternative to sodas and other kinds of drinks. So let me know if you have any questions.